What is up, everybody? How's it going? All right, so just having a little fun on my birthday. Today is the 8th of June. I took the wheel off of Ruby, the 2007 Toyota 4runner Sport Edition 4x4 with the 4.7 liter V8, and I put a 2-inch wheel spacer that I had laying around, and these are hub-centric wheels. So these wheels right here are actually for a 2000 Toyota 4runner. These actually came off my SR5, which are the same wheels that are on this 2000 Limited. As you can see, same wheels. Those have tires. These do not. And that is because those wheels came off Sky, this silver truck right here, and she has aftermarket wheels. That's why I'm experimenting with that wheel. So I put a 2-inch wheel spacer on, and this 16-inch wheel does now clear the caliper. It doesn't rub the caliper, but in the very top, it's kind of hard to see, there's a little tiny gap, maybe, I would say, 1/8 of an inch on the bottom as well. So this wheel does turn now, as you can see. It does not rub the caliper. And I can show you guys in the wheel well, the fattest part of the caliper is actually sticking out. It's not even in the wheel. And you can actually see the rotor right there. So here's the shield right here, the dust shield. So this is a hub-centric wheel spacer. It actually fits on that hub right there. And this is a hub-centric wheel. Most Toyotas run hub-centric wheels. So I just wanted to show you guys, you can fit a 16-inch wheel on the 4th gen on the front with a wheel spacer, 2-inch. This black section right here is a 2-inch wheel spacer. On the rear, you can fit these wheels without a wheel spacer. That's because the rears have smaller calipers and smaller rotors. But I'm impressed that it clears just enough. So what I'm going to do in the next video, I'm going to get this truck moved a lot further away from the fence. So I'm going to put the 17-inch wheel that came on the truck back on, because I put this 3-inch lift on, and I'm need to save a little bit of money to pick up an E-locker axle for the front, because the front axle is actually blown. So what I'm going to do is I'm just kind of spending some of my birthday. It's about 7 and something in the morning. It's like 7:53 in the morning. Just spending some of my birthday experimenting, playing around. I might take 1 or 2 of the wheels off of Rose over there, slap her on here, see how it looks, and then I might also take these beastly mud tires with this wheel package off of Beast and throw them on Ruby right there and see how it comes out. So these are pretty big tires right here. These are Patriot mud tires is what these are. They have about 50% tread life on them, but I'm curious to see if these tires and these wheels would fit on this truck, just to see what the stance of the truck looks like. Just to see what Ruby would look like with bigger tires, more of a mud or an all-terrain tire instead of the street tires that she's got on her. You know, she does have a 3-inch lift. I don't know if Beast tires are going to fit, to be honest. I think that they're going to hit somewhere. Rose's tires might fit, though. But, you know, just a little experimentation, playing around. I think it'd be kind of fun. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to put the wheel back on, and I'm going to pull Ruby this way, kind of pull her out, and then back her up on the sidewalk. over here. So she's going to be actually parked about right here. And I'm smoking a cigar. But so we're going to move her over about 4 or 5 feet. That way I have clearance away from the fence. Because I always park her kind of close to the fence. But there will be no way for me to physically put a tire on this side. So now that I know that it fits, I'm going to experiment, see which tires and wheel package will fit. I'm not going to drive the truck like this. I just want to, get some video and footage of what it looks like with the stance, with the 3-inch lift, just for funs. But, you can put 16-inch wheels from a 3rd gen on the rear. No spacers required. And on the front, a 2-inch spacer clears just enough that you can actually put a 16-inch wheel on it. And Beast actually does have wheel spacers. It doesn't look like it, but Beast does have some wheel spacers, and that is just, you could tell by the fact that the wheel's sticking out just a little bit. You can see the calipers poking out on this side as well, on the front. And I can't remember, the rears do not have a wheel spacer. It's only the fronts that have a wheel spacer to match the rear. And they are 2-inch wheel spacers on the front here. So it's the same thing, 2-inch wheel spacers. But 3rd gens allow 16-inch wheels. That's what they came with. They actually came with 15-inch wheels on some models, 16 on others. The Limiteds and the SR5 style sports, like this Sky right here. This is a SR5 Sport. They came with the bigger brake package, which had the bigger wheels, 16-inch wheels. So these are 16s right here as well. It's kind of hard to see, but the calipers are red on this one. And the drums are also red. I'm not really sure if that shows up, but we're just playing around, having a little fun. I can't really move the vehicle very far until I can find an axle coming in, but so thought it'd be fun to pop some different tires on it, see what it looks like. And I will see you guys in a little bit. So I will do another video for you guys once I get all that done. Just gonna throw some tires from Rose on, possibly throw some tires from Beast on. Not sure which one yet I'm gonna do first, but see what it looks like. Go from there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.